My people, how dey happen na? How una dey? Time don reach again for another strong mock news. Una don already know dey here. Na me dey call Prince John. Who never subscribe, abeg? I still dey use this opportunity dey beg una abeg. Subscription na free. Make una subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make una for promote my industry. Una know as the matter dey be now. Okay, well, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's just free. Just click on that red button. As you subscribe, still click on the notification bell so that you will get many updates, many news, and many story and many comedy. You know as the matter dey be now. Today mock news is going to be a straight mock news and it's going to be a funny one. So those of you who never know me, they call Prince John. Person man me see dey smell well, see dey use that mask, see dey drink water. Na condition na dey make goat go dey waka meow 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 meow. Go dey open person well, come by itself dey drink water. Now they already know me now. So today mock news is going to be a funny one and it's going to be a mock news. Una know say sometimes I know they come out this kind of time, but I just want quick on drop this story as it dey hot. So now let you know now. Let's go to the reason why we are here. For Nigeria, not be small things that they see. Oh, I see this news that was so one kind, no one touch a lies. You know as the matter dey be now. For Nigeria. put the native doctor picture. Most of them native doctor now don dey show good example. Okay now for inside town, native doctor now don dey go shopping. E no be like our days of our forefather when they say native doctor na shrine dem dey stay. Now a native doctor came with girlfriend the heart. Native doctor now carry a girlfriend heart nowadays. Not just saying a modern life nowadays. Native doctor okay suit or bagbada. Native doctor now wearing suit to take a girlfriend. Hey, people dey envy you. Me I just face the native doctor. People dey envy you because the kind food may you carry. If you see the girl made this native doctor carry, when came here on Nissan Jane 2x4 trailer. If you see this girl, akaka, if you see this girl backside, it be like 2x4. Oh, native doctor with big mountain. Hey, now wow. Because of you now, maybe pastor now they go copy your old step now. See they carry their 2x4 wife, they come out. If you see wetin this native doctor dey shop, e no be like native doctor. This native doctor olake fresh pass president. This one fresh, e fresh pass Buhari. This one chop better food pass senators dem. Those of una wey never see where the native doctor for carry im babe out go jolly sef, go do some shopping. Oh yeah, go Adelaba. Jesus. See native doctor for market square. Jesus, so nothing they now they see. See guy we carry. See guy we native doctor carry. Jesus, they now they see. See guy we carry. See guy we native doctor carry. You don't see where native doctor they carry ukwamiono. If you see ogbo, if you see uku, you go one run. Native doctor, your enjoyment alone, now be say because of this enjoyment now, the ancestors go they answer your prayer well. The native doctor even get bodyguard. It don't be like pastor because if the pastor they go there, they carry bodyguard. So no be only pastor now come they carry bodyguard. A native doctor okay more bodyguard. Native doctor now you don't see they carry bodyguard with your ukwale so that make them not come kidnap the ukwale for your hand. Hey, oh me. Enjoy yourself. Next one. Let's go to the next news. This one is a special message to all those Igbos when they stay mortar. When go the hustle for motor, wake also as na the hustle they make una money for motor. This one a special message to owner. Put this guy. You see this guy now motor. They utilize this guy for motor. They what even they verse me, they pay me for this news is that they utilize the guy. They still utilize the guy's spirit. They utilize even when they still cook. His spirit one come perfect the smell. They still utilize the spirit. because of food. Okay, now like because of food, now kill this fine boy. They say this boy no dey bring money for food, but if they don't cook, people go say come eat, go say no they eat. After they don't come off for us, now they lalo everything, now they finish everything. He go clear the whole plate, he go mother the whole plate. Because of food go still reach to still keep person put. Food, this thing don't happen. They all new breed the story because the man fed the wait whether they go talk about and say because of food. Now they brutalize the guy, but nobody talk. Everybody was sealed because of food you keep person. Igbo now Igbo brother kill Igbo brother because of food. Can't Igbo people can't we just help without no reason? This is just the problem of Nigeria. This is just the problem. One not fit help one without any reason. You go one collect something because of food. No, don't brutalize this boy just like that. Those of now we never see when the man they talk the way the story and everything take happen. Oh yeah, Guadelaba.
I was waiting about 2 months ago. I was waiting them to talk about it. Nobody want to share it. And sometimes I think maybe they are ashamed of themselves this time around or what. So, because of food, it happened here. These guys is the people that I always meet in the bus. I know they're about to kill this guy. I know. I know that there is a big problem. I don't know that this one is the one that I'm planning to kill. Every morning I cannot hear something in the bus when they are talking about this guy. I don't know that it's even this guy now they killed now. The other two always talk about this one and this one I posted here now. Food, they cannot pay, but you eat this and that. He mess up the house. Not only messing up the house. Mostly about food. When they buy drink, he say no, you don't want to drink. When they left, then they drink all of them. You see? Igbos too, I'm not talking about woman. Woman is not involved. If woman is involved or any of them married now, they will say, they will put all the whole blame to the woman. She's the cause. I know Igbo people. But two brothers from Igbo land, two cousins, cannot live even in one department and peacefully live in peace. No way. They must fight for food. Food, now because of food. The other one kill the other one. You see, this is the people that are always in the bus. They cannot allow me to rest. IPOP no say, Biafra no say. You see, and they don't have love, just food. Yes, I believe because it has happened to me a lot. That's why I don't want to put anybody on my apartment. You give them apartment is a problem. Igbo people. You give them apartment. Okay, to pay house rent is a problem. But on your phone, they will be calling, baby, I'll change your life. You see? Why I'm saying about this guy now, that they still say, because this is the place that will always make me so much angry. When you advise them, they will tell you are not the one who carry me come. Brother, this thing you are doing, this thing, not that I go there, maybe you were in a bar, talking a lot of, because they always talk a lot of rubbish when you take one bottle. I tell them that this thing is not good. This thing here, because whatever they are saying in their mind, they think that is a joke. They are about to do it. Brother, but that life is not good. No. Now you carry me come. Now waiting black people they talk. They don't want to speak to them. Now you carry me come. So when you die, am I the one who to carry you? Did I sign that I will carry you or contribute for you to go? You are dead. You are useless dead body to go back to your country. I've been a dead body. Now you carry me, make me come here. If I die, make I contribute. For what reason? Can you tell me the reason why I should contribute? But
Shebi don't see you don't see when they brutalize you full human be not be shaking or like a chicken, like a turkey that you can just carry, just choose the neck. Human being the brutalize because of food, common food, and now they brutalize this guy for. Now wow, I not just want to just talk because you get where I they try to go, but This is very bad of a human being to brutalize your brother because of food. This is wrong. This is naive. This is nailaba. This one can never be taken. May you rest in peace. I know say as the brutalizer still carry your spirit. So may your next spirit rest in peace. So next time if they come, you also your food by yourself and eat by yourself. Let's go to the next news. This one a special message to all those women. You know, say for this my program, they get problem with all those pregnant women. I don't know why. This one a special message to all those women. When you go carry belle finish, after you carry belle finish for 9 months, so you can't still born the pikin. After you born the pikin, your man not gonna tell you what you want to do. If not to go give the pikin to orphanage home or call for social media assistant. Some people don't understand things now. Say for social media, if you just talk anything now, people can assist you in any cost. Put the baby picture for when they inside basket, put on. Could you believe newborn baby? Maybe if this pikin too old, is going to be a day or 2 days or 3 days old baby. Now his mother, he wrap it like a pampers. He wrap the pikin like pampers, go through it for inside waist bin. Pikin when you carry for 9 months, you can't still stretch your body. Your mekus can't tear. As I talk mekus now, you don't know. Mekus can't still tear. But no reason that one. Okay, pikin when God give you, okay, more say dustbin. You carry as dustbin, go put for inside waist bin. Hey, mama. Nothing they no go just see for this world. Nothing. Some women, that's why if some women defend pikin now, God not give the pikin. They go people just they when defend this pikin. When God just give you. People they when defend now. For you to just take care of this pikin or cry out, make people help you. You carry the pikin now, you use now do waste bin. We carry pikin a bird as they play in the field. Use and do waste bin. Those of you now will never see when good Samaritans they save the baby for inside basket. Oh yeah, Guadelaba. You don't see her. You don't see newborn baby, fine baby just like that when they throw away for inside dustbin. When they do toilet throw away for inside dustbin. It be like when you go toilet, go meow, and you can't clean your nyash, can't throw away. Now so, oh God, now so you throw away picking way God just give you for 9 months. Now you carry her. That's why I thought. See, maybe where all these women, some women for they born that they are picking, that they are because not they, you know, even they pain some women because if you they pain them, you reason the pain when you pass through when you never ever reach 2 days or 3 days. You can never do all this thing. Your hair fire, devil now don't the region. You will have your separate hair fire. No one you go follow devil. Maybe now devil now you can't go through way for inside dustbin. We'll go straight to the next news. This one a message. This one a special message to churches during this time of COVID-19, during this time of hard time. Una can say offering. Una know this. I don't know what some pastors see with offering. If they all hear offering, tithe, give. You go be like say some pastor bring, they don't just turn now upside down. They can't do without offering. Even if they preach online, I even they watch the program that they preach online. They see they pay offering online. You go say it's now time for you to do your offering. They will bring the account number, come out, you pay offering online. Most every preaching, pastor preach, Must every preach go with offering? Na be wetin me no understand. Inside Bible, I never read reach there. They say any preaching man of God preach, we need to pay offering. This offering of a thing is willingly, and not be only church that they pay things they give as offering. You can go to motherless home and go and pay your offering. Offering is offering. So you can go to anywhere, you can see person on the street, he need help, you give am money, na offering that you don give to that person. So anybody when you save during the time of hardship, na offering. So the way some pastor come take this to say the offering must be they must bring the offering to us, to church. This is getting out of hand. I see this video for online. I say no, people need to get sense. Some people need to wise. Even people, e get some people when you pay offering passive American, you can pay offering. All these people, they can pay 20 times a day. COVID-19 still take their life. So offering is not in the house of God alone to give offering. Anywhere outside, you can give your offering. If you help person, that's your offering. That's your, this does say tithe. You must bring your tithe to the house of God. You must, tithe is not most that you must bring it to the house of God. Some people pay their tithe in orphanage home. Now their tithe be that one, they don't pay am. So far, they don't use that help people that need it. There is tithe. Those of them will never see the video, okay, offering, they can't turn robots to they collect offering. Even the church still they fear, but offering not let them leave. Now they can't turn motor robot to the drive and go they collect the offering. Okay, me offering in Nigeria for even Oyibo self offering with pastor. Those of you that never see the video of this offering pastor, oh yeah, go ahead. You don't see, huh? You don't see. Offering time. Very soon now, we'll cause the all those live presenters cause they collect offering. They'll say offering time, blessed time, they'll cause they collect offering. Waiting offering, go do some pastor. Offering. It be like saying that because of the offering and tithe and the giving, then they make some men go they turn to pastor. Not be say God just called them just like that because of that offering. So, okay, me offering. Let's go to the next news. This one na special message. I just want to break it down. Na special message to all those social media presenter, not be for Nigeria, not be all those, but all those social media presenter when they Germany, Italy, when you're there within Europe, UK, and all those things, all those old women, okay, taban, they don't taban, social media no one leave. This one a special message to them. Fine, they not say me they not do social media, me not do presenter. But must you do saga? Must you do saga? Insult person? What even they pay me for this insult when they insult people? After they don't insult the person finish, months later or days later, they will come apologize, say, now because say that one I talk this one, that one I talk this one, let me do this one, do this one. Must you use insult words take collect viewers for Facebook or for YouTube or all those things? Can't you just create your own things? Be natural. Be natural. Even though na copy you, they copy. Just be natural. I beg. Most of them na Benin. I just want call their name now, make them know. Most of them na Benin. So I beg, make una take am easy for the social media and una dey do. The social media na came by force. This one be do other say you must get followers pass the other one, or you must get followers. Social media is just luck. If God just say na social media you wan just take make money, na you take make money. No come dey use saga, come take dey disturb people ear, come dey talk this one, I get this one naked picture, I get this one naked picture. Whereas even the green light sef you no get, you just wan use am collect view that day. I will bring the naked picture come out, bring the naked picture. Make una stop that thing. It's not good. This one na special message to una. Make una stop am. Make una behave well. Why can Musa get the man how they breathe bad name they come they give Benin again? It's not good. It's not good. Let's go to the next news. This one a special message to all those people when they Germany within Germany. You can still join this production. This one our brother put the picture. This one our brother Don Andy. Don Andy, he gets moving production. Now, okay, artist, this boy they produce movie like Angel. Now, this boy produce Lack of the Titan when they not they see the Titan again. Or now, okay, artist, this boy produce movie for you. You go dey shock. This boy now, they produce movie for Germany. They help people. They use the money. They produce things both for Nigeria and for Germany. And he need cast. He need people wey go still dey join at the art. He need people. He need art. If you know say you sabi art, oh, I know they talk about people when they go see camera. They go be like say they are eye blind. If you know say you get action for movie, if you get action, you sabi art. Call this number on your screen and you dey Germany. Say you want art with am, call the number on your screen. This boy K Arty, the production name na Don Andy Apama. Don Andy Apama. E be like Apama. If Don Andy, if you know wetin they call Apama, Pam me or Pam Oye, you know say that Apama. I don't know what it mean for the language, but Apama and another things. But the company they try, the production they try. If you know say you be upcoming actor or upcoming actress and you love acting and you dey stay Germany, you dey stay mostly Batibuti or Bundesliga, you dey stay Bundesliga, contact this phone number. This is your luck to act with the superstar with Nigeria. They future many Nigeria star, many Nigeria actor, and it's good. He just produce a latest movie now. Go YouTube, Don Andy Apama TV, and go watch am and still subscribe for am. So if you know say you want art, you want do anything about acting, contact this guy. You will never regret it. Later you will thank me for contacting this guy. Let's go to the next news. My people, now you are here today. I already know wetin I first talk before. Say I just want to give am chap as e dey hot. So who never know me, na still me. Abeg, una still subscribe to our YouTube channel. We still need una support. We need your support. We need your support. Please subscribe and remain blessed. See you next time. Okay now.